In the polarization by transmission part of the lab, you will use two polarizers. One of them is here, the other one is on top. And you will rotate the top polarizer while measuring the intensity of light that passes through. Now this is actually mounted on a stand right here. And there is a lamp that you have to make sure that it's very close to the polarizer so you maximize the amount of light that you get. Underneath here, there is a light sensor, and you have to make sure that it's plugged into channel 1 in Logger Pro, and also that it's set at the 600 lux setting over here. So as you saw from this, as you're turning the polarizer, the top polarizer over the bottom polarizer, you get more or less light passing through. So find a point, this was already set by a previous student, find a point where you want to get started with this and set the polarizer with a degree markings on the side here at 0 degrees. And then in Logger Pro you will want to open up the waves experiment and collect the data, start collecting the data while turning this 360 degrees and seeing the signal on the screen. Now of course this is done over here. This one is the one that's turned in. I'm just showing you what you can see while turning the polarizer here. Then when you're taking your real data, you will start with the polarizer at 0 degrees, hit collect, and wait for a few seconds to see a plateau forming on the screen. Then move it to 30 degrees and wait for the plateau to form, and then move it to 60 degrees, and so on, all the way around to 360. So you will do that over here. Make sure that you don't cover the light coming from the lamp as much as you can. Now, you will get a graph of intensity of light versus angle, and then in Logger Pro you will find out what the average values for each of those plateaus will be, record that in your notebook, write down the intensity versus angle, and then that data you will plot in Origin and get a nice curve fit through that.